Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. My name is Kel and this is my channel, and today I'm coming to you with an open collaboration from the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Now, Miss Robin, formerly known as It's Just Me Robin, her new channel name is called Table Talk with Robin. She is the host for the month of March. And her collaboration she wanted us to join in is called Her Story Women's History Month Tablescape Collaboration. The date to upload your video will be Monday, March the 15th, 2021 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And again, it's hosted by the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Now, her instructions were she wanted you to title your video Her Story Women's History Month Tablescape Collab 2021. You will use the hashtag Her Story Collab 2021 in the description box. That way it populates over to the playlist. She would like for us to create a tablescape to host a special meal for a woman who has made an impact in history. And number 4, you're going to give a brief synopsis of that woman's contribution to history. And it's your choice in theme, color, etc. She would like for you to mention all the members of the Sophisticated Ladies Club, and you'll see the members coming up right now. We would like for you to include our channel links in your description box along with the collab playlist. Playlists will be linked below and available for you to upload your video on March the 15th. Set your upload time for 7 p.m. Please do not upload before 7 p.m. She also wants you to limit your video to 12 minutes. Please use the YouTube etiquette, and if you have trouble uploading your video or playlist, please contact a member of the Sophisticated Ladies Club so we can get it uploaded for you. And number 12, and most of all, have fun celebrating women. So I hope that you will enjoy us in this fabulous open invite. I thought this was very creative. We know that Black History Month is in the month of February, but we're taking it over into March about Women's History Month. And so I hope that you will be able to join us on this fabulous collaboration. If you have any questions, you can always drop down in my comment section. Hit Robin up as well, and all the other lovely Sophisticated Ladies members, which is Tammy Thompson from TVMG. We'll have Tamara, Love My Babies Forever, and the lovely Miss Penny at Penny's Place. So any of us will be able to help and direct you if you have any questions. So with that being said, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another open collaboration. See you on March the 15th at 7 p.m. Bye-bye.